Hi, I'm Rachel from Plot Australia. Welcome to day 1 of 30 days of backyard play. So this is just super simple, easy ideas for you to play with young kids outdoors. My boys, I've got 3 boys aged 1 to 4, so that's kind of the age group. And day 1, we are doing fence painting. So we've got tubs of water and we are just painting the fence. So with the water. So you can paint your fence, your shed, your gate, whatever. The best part is it's a 5-second setup and it's zero mess and zero pack down. You can just use those tiny paintbrushes that come in the little kids kits, but to be honest, it's way more fun with big paintbrushes, isn't it? And big rollers. And Dad is going to love to see you doing that when he comes home. You're doing really good, bud. Do you like this, doing this? Yeah. This one's awesome. You can have your 1-year-old join in, your 4-year-old, super easy. Let me know how you go. I'd love to see pics. Please tag me in them, Plot Australia. And if you've got some friends that you think would like some extra outdoor backyard play tips, please tag them, share the video, that would help a lot. We're getting busy. Bye.